Akshay and I'm back again with exercise 10.3, the fourth question. So here you have a cylindrical mug of radius 5 centimeters and height 9.8 centimeters is full of water. A solid in the form of a right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere immersed into the mug. The radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter and height of the conical part is 5 centimeters. Now find the volume of the water left in the tub. Now here the question is, they have given a cylindrical tub, okay? You have a cylindrical tub and the radius of this tub is 5 centimeters and the height is of 9.8 centimeters. Now what happens here is, in this given cylindrical mug, what happens here is, I have dropped a solid into it. So when in a tub, let's assume this is a tub. So in this given cylindrical tub, if a solid is immersed into the water, then a little amount of water overflows out of this given tub. So then the question is, find the volume of the water left in the tub. So they need what? To find the volume of water left in the given tub after a solid is immersed into the tub. Now to find this, firstly let me solve the given question where solution equals to. So given, first let's find the volume of this cylinder, means volume of this given tub, okay? By so firstly let's find the volume of the tub. So volume of the tub is in the shape of what? Cylinder. So let me write, so I can take like volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder equals to, formula is what? Pi r square h. So pi r square h, right? So pi value I know 22 by 7, as they have given to take pi value as 22 by 7. Now r means radius, where radius equals to 5 centimeters and height means h equals to 9.8 centimeters. Now here first let me take like where volume of cylinder equals to pi value 22 by 7 into r means radius equals to 5 into 5, r square, right? So 5 square. So 5 into 5 into h means height equals to 9.8. So let me take like 9.8. Now here okay, now just take a look where 5 is 25, okay? 25 into 98, okay? Let's consider this as 98. So 25 into 98, so this becomes what? Here is 0 18 plus 45, 5 over here, 6 over 2, 4. So this becomes 2450. So point after one digit. So let me make point after one digit. So this becomes what? 245. So I can take like 245. So 245 into 22 divided by 7 equals to 5390. So 245 into 22 equals to 5390. So divided by 7 again. So now here 7 times 1, 7 and 7. Now 7 times 49 and 49, 7 times and 0 over here. So this becomes what? 770 centimeter cube. Therefore I got what? The volume of cylinder equals to 770 centimeter cube. Right? So I got the volume of cylinder equals to 770 centimeter cube. Now here let's find the volume of the given solid. Okay? Where firstly let's find the volume of solid and then we can solve this given question easily. Now to find the volume of solid, where volume of solid, it is a combination of two shapes, right? It is a combination of hemisphere plus cone. So I can say that the volume of solid equals to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Okay, done. So by volume of solid, let volume of solid be volume of solid. Now here let's find the volume of hemisphere by adding volume of hemisphere and volume of cone. This gives what is volume of the solid. Okay, now let's find the volume of hemisphere. So let me write down like volume of hemisphere. So this formula will be what is volume of hemisphere equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Right? So the formula will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Let me write down like 2 by 3 over here. 2 by 3 pi value what? 22 by 7. 2 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r. R means radius. Radius over here is what? 3.5, right? So 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Where they have given cube, so let me write down like 3 times. So okay, 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Now here 7 times 1, 7, 7, 7, 5 is 35, right? So 0.5. Now here, if you try to substitute this, where 7 into 3.5 gives what? 1.75. So 1.75 into 3.5 gives 6.125. Here, let me write it like 6.125 into here 2 into 22. 22 2s are 42, right? So 42. Sorry, 44. So let me write it 44 by 3. So this becomes what? 269.5. 269.5 by 3 over here. Let me write down like 3. Okay. Therefore, what volume of solid, volume of hemisphere equals to 269.5 by 3. It will be centimeter cube. 269.5 by 3 centimeter cube. I got the volume of hemisphere. Now let's find the volume of cone. So to find the volume of cone, we know the formula for this. The formula will be what? 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? So let me write down cone. Volume of cone equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So let it be 1 by 3 be 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into our radius over here. So here you have radius 3.5, where a hemisphere on the hemisphere you have a cone which is surmounted, right? So here I can take where the radius for hemisphere and the radius for cone will be 3.5. So the base is common for both the shapes. So I can take it 3.5 to 3.5. Radius equals to what? 3.5 into 3.5. Now into height. Height of this given conical shaped one is what? Here you have the height of the conical part is 5 centimeters. So let me write down like 5 over here. Okay. Now next. Here where 7 times 1, 7, 0.5, right? So this becomes 0.5. Now here, if I take like this, I get like 5 into 3.5. 15 plus 25, 1.75, right? So 1.75 into 5, this gives 8.75. 8.75. So 8.75 into 22. So this gives 22 by 3 as over here 3. So this gives what is 5. Let it be. First 8.25. This gives 192.5. Okay, 192.5 by 3. Okay, I got the value where the volume of cone equals to 192.5 by 3. So, okay, now here to find the volume of solid, I got the volume of hemisphere and the volume of cone. What is the volume of hemisphere, guys? So, volume of V of hemisphere equals to 269.5 by 3 plus volume of cone equals to 192.5 by 3, right? So now just add this both, where 269.5, 269.5. Let me write down here, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 269.5 plus 192.5. So this gives 0, 1 over here, 10, 2, 1. This 7 plus 9, 6, 1, 3, 4. This gives 460. 3, right? So 3 ones 3. So here if I take like this, so 3 ones 3. This used 1 time, this used 5 times, and this used 4 times. Okay. So therefore I got what? The volume of solid equals to 154. Done. So the volume of solid equals to 154. Now here, yeah. So to find the volume of water left in the tub after a solid is immersed into it. So to find this, as here I can say that the volume of solid equals to the volume of water which has been flowed out from this given tub. Okay. So here I can say that the volume of solid equals to the volume of water flowed out. Okay. So the volume of solid equals to the volume of water which has been flowed out, because here I can say that where if a solid is immersed into the given water, then it replaces the amount of water by the volume of solid itself. Okay. So if a solid is immersed into the water, the volume of water, it replaces the volume of water by the volume of solid itself. So here I can say that the volume of solid equals to the volume of water which has been flowed out. So here I can take like, now to find the volume of the leftover water in the tub. So the question is, we must find the volume of leftover water in the tub. So to find this, let me write down like the volume of water left in the tub. So let me write down the volume of water left equals to the volume of water in the tub. Oh, as we got the volume of tub equals to what? 770, right? So the volume of water in the tub, I can select volume of tub. Okay, so volume of tub minus the volume of cylinder, because here volume of solid, because here I am considering the volume of solid as the overflowed water. Volume of overflowed water. So volume of water volume of solid. Now here, where volume of tub, where we know that volume of tub we got what is 770, right? 770 centimeter cube. So 770 minus volume of solid equals to 154. So just try to subtract this, where we get what? This gives 6, 1, 6. So therefore I can say that 616 centimeter cube. Therefore the volume of water left equals to 616 centimeter cube. Done. Therefore the volume of water is the volume of water left in the tub. Okay, let me write it like, okay. So the volume of water left in the given tub is 616 centimeter cube. Thank you.